Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create this colorful rainbow brush in the app Hipaint. Don't skip the video anywhere, let's get started. So first I'm going to my Hipaint app and I'm going to create a 1:1 ratio canvas. Here you can see, click on that and we got this. So now to create this brush I'm going to use this pixel brush. The pixel brush usually look like this, but I don't want in this way, so I want to make some changes in that brush. So what I'm going to do is click on this brush and it will open the brush settings, and here you can increase the spacing, you can see. So I'm going to keep it like this, so you can see it's about 62%, and if you want you can increase the size of the brush. So I'm going to increase it a little bit. Okay, that's enough, nothing else. So now I'm going to use the guide and I'm going to draw 9 or 4 cross 4, which is 16 box using this. You can see, since the brush is too big, I'm going to minimize the size of the brush. And now just by dragging you will get that spacing, because we made the changes in the brush settings and I already have the 4th box here. So like this. Now again just click here and then we have to fill inside. Okay, now done. I'm going to switch off the grid. If you don't want, you can avoid this step of adding the grid. And now I'm going to increase the size of this box or the box set like this, and I'm going to switch on the alpha lock and fill each box with different color. So click on this bucket tool and here you can try all the different colors, add some vibrant colors, or you can try some gradient way of adding color as well. Here I'm going to keep it vibrant, add blue color, and I'm just avoiding adding related colors, like blue means then going for these will be like a related color, so I'm avoiding those kind of colors and filling. Now I'm going to switch off the background layer and I'm going to export this as PNG. So now we got the shape for the brush and we're going to make some changes in the settings of the basic brush and going to create the new brush. For basic brush I'm going to use this ballpoint pen brush. Just click on that brush and click on the copy brush, and if you don't have this copy brush option, just click on this customize, and here at the bottom you can find all the tools, that is related to the brush, and whichever tool that you want, you can just click and choose. As I already have this brush, I already have this tool, I'm just going to click on this copy, and I'm going to move to the different section, or even you can create the brush on the same section, no worries. Just I'm using the different section and click on this paste brush. Once done, click on this brush and you will get the option to make some changes. And here, go to the shape. Here is the basic shape of this ballpoint pen brush. Now click on this. I'm going to add my own shape, so which I saved exported right now. So to do that, click on this plus symbol, and here you can see I already tried this brush 2 more times, so just to check. And this is the last one which I created right now. Now just click on this and click on this tick, and you can find that shape somewhere here. So this is that. Click on this, and as you can see, it became a black and white, or monochrome color. Just to add color, same color, click on this original color effect, and once you're done, this is how the brush looks. Okay, the colors are good, but we have to make some changes to make it seamless. So here on the common settings, just reduce the spacing to 0, and now wow, we got whatever we wanted. So, and any other changes if you want to make, like, this is how it looks. And if you want to make it flatter or thinner, then you can use this roundness. Just reduce the value and check how it looks. Again, it looks like a 3D brush, but some variation, you can see how it looks. But for now, I just want this one. And if you want, you can also change the angle so that you get different colors by just, you can see it rotates, but I'm okay with this angle color. And you can see if I go from left to right, you can see how what are the colors. And if I go from right to left, the colors are different. And if you go from top to bottom, you can see, and from bottom to top, all the colors are totally different, because we added like 9 or 16 colors on each and every box. That is a different color, so whatever the direction, maybe it's going to give some variation in the color. And finally, this is how it looks. Also, if you want to increase the size, actually you can see the maximum size already filled. And now I'm going to show you my brush. Wow, that's great, vibrant and unique. If you like this brush, subscribe to my channel. Also try this brush. If you have created this brush, tag me in Instagram and show me what you have created. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.